How to change language on Etsy. Hey everyone, in this video you will learn how you can change language on Etsy. So ensure you sit through and watch to the end. The first step is to log in into Etsy by signing in into etsy.com, and then once you're signed in, this is how the page looks like. Once you're on this page, you can see the product that you've checked recently, or you can see categories by clicking on the categories tab at the top right left side of the screen, where you can see different categories showcasing different products that you can get on Etsy. And then once you can see this, the next step is move to the top right side of the screen, where you can see some options like favorite, updates, shop manager, and then your account. Just click on your account. Once you click on your account, in the box displayed, ensure you select account settings. Once you selected account settings, you will be brought to the account settings page. On this page, you would see a menu displaying options like account security, public profile, preferences, preview, privacy, addresses, credit cards, emails. So ensure you click on preferences. Once you click on the preferences tab, you will be brought to the preferences page, where you'll see the option choose your default language, choose your default currency, region, postal mail, etc. So to change language, just tap on this box, and then once you tap on the box, you'll see the languages available on Etsy, and they include Dutch, English for UK, English for IN, English for US, Hispano, France, Italian, Netherlands, Chinese, etc. So you can just select the language that works for you. And once you've selected the language, you can now scroll down and then click on Update Preferences, which is located by the left side of the screen. And once you click on Update Preferences, the language will be changed automatically. Once you see this option, your changes have been saved. That means that the language has been changed. So this is how you can change your language on Etsy. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.